All right, Megan, thank you. Well, for the family of Jabari Peoples, a lot of questions do remain, despite being shown a portion of the body cam video the night that Jabari was shot by a Homewood police officer and died.
Jefferson County District Attorney Danny Carr provided details of what the video showed in deciding the shooting was justified.
According to DA Carr, the video confirms that the Homewood police report that marijuana was in the car Jabari was driving, that after asking Jabari and his passenger to step out of the vehicle, the officer spotted a gun in the car door.
District Attorney Carr says the video also shows Jabari resisting, being handcuffed, and then running back towards the car, grabbing the gun, and that's when the officer fired one shot in the back that ultimately took Jabari's life. Joining us now by Zoom with legal analysis is former Deputy District Attorney in Montgomery, now defense attorney with his own firm here in Birmingham, Josh Jones. Counselor, thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
The family does not feel like what they were shown by the district attorney is cut and dried on what happened. You're kind of looking at this from both sides, being a former prosecutor and now a defense attorney. But as a prosecutor, what would you want to see to decide if an officer's use of force was justified, or what more would you want to see?
Well, I mean, it could go a lot of different ways with what you wanted to see. I mean, obviously, Danny Carr reviewed the video, thought that there was not enough probable cause to go forward with it. He had stated that he's not presenting the case to grand jury. Yes, I am a former prosecutor, but you have to go with the facts as they are. What you want is irrelevant. What matters is what was on that video, and apparently it did not rise to the level that Danny Carr thought it would be probable cause or present to grand jury.
Well, as you know, one of the sticking points for the family is that they said, and the attorney representing them, is that the entire video wasn't there. What can you speak to that about, and why would the entire video not be shown?
Well, that's likely true, and I've reread the statute on that. I think it's very possible that they edited down the video to just the portion of it that was involving Jabari Peoples. They do not want an entire video with other witnesses or bystanders in the video that would cause additional problems. So they've probably edited down the video to only the portion that was relevant to the criminal investigation, which would be the altercation between the police officer and Jabari Peoples and the resisting arrest all the way leading up to Jabari apparently grabbing a gun and being shot.
Counselor, is this over for them, or is there any other legal recourse for them now that the district attorney says no, there are no charges going to be filed against this Homewood officer?
As far as the criminal case goes, I think it is over and closed. Danny Carr was very specific that he does not plan on pursuing the charges against the Homewood officer, that they do not plan on presenting this case to grand jury. Therefore, on the criminal side, I would say it is over. However, the civil side is always an avenue for the family to pursue. They can, they're more than likely going to pursue a wrongful death investigation and lawsuit, but that would be again on the civil side, not on the criminal side. There's a different standard there on the civil side versus the criminal side.
Can or will that video play into that?
Yes, it definitely would. As far as I know from what I've seen online and reading, they have not released the video to the public, so I have not seen it. But yes, the video would be first and foremost in that wrongful death suit if they were to pursue that.
Josh, the detail in there about the young man Jabari being shot in the back, but they say in the report that in the video that he does have a gun, but the fact that he was shot in the back, would that play a factor at all in a civil case?
I guess it could. You know, just because somebody gets shot in the back doesn't mean it was necessarily a wrongful shooting. Things happen very quickly in those type of altercations, and somebody can have a gun, turn very quickly, and then get shot. So it doesn't mean that it's necessarily bad for Homewood. There's just those things happen. But yeah, it is unfortunate that the entire situation happened. It is unfortunate that he was shot in the back, but I haven't seen the video, so I don't know exactly why he was shot in the back, but that is fairly common.
All right, that is former Deputy DA for Montgomery County, but now has his own law firm here in Birmingham as a defense attorney, Josh Jones. We appreciate your time and your analysis. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Sheldon.